National Electrical Code Article 404.11 addresses wattage limitations for dimmers. Specifically, single-pole dimmers should not have a total connected load exceeding 600 watts per dimmer. This limitation is crucial for several reasons. Firstly, exceeding the wattage limit can cause the dimmer to overheat, potentially leading to premature failure of the dimmer itself. Secondly, overheating can pose a significant fire hazard. The excessive heat generated by overloading the dimmer can ignite surrounding materials, especially if the dimmer is installed in an enclosed space or near combustible materials. Thirdly, exceeding the wattage limit can affect the performance and lifespan of the connected lighting fixtures. Overloading the circuit can cause voltage drops, leading to flickering lights or reduced brightness. Furthermore, consistent overloading can damage the lighting fixtures over time. When designing or modifying lighting circuits involving dimmers, it's essential to carefully calculate the total wattage of the connected lighting fixtures. If the total wattage exceeds 600 watts for a single-pole dimmer, several options can be considered. Firstly, use multiple dimmers. Divide the lighting load among multiple dimmers, ensuring that each dimmer's load does not exceed 600 watts. This approach requires additional wiring and possibly modifications to the electrical box to accommodate the extra dimmers. Secondly, use a higher rated dimmer. Some dimmers are designed to handle higher wattage loads. However, it's crucial to verify that the dimmer is specifically rated for the type of lighting fixtures being used, such as incandescent, LED, or fluorescent. Also, ensure that the dimmer is compatible with the wiring system and electrical box. Thirdly, use a different type of control. Consider using a lighting control system that is designed to handle higher wattage loads. These systems often use relays or electronic switches to control the lighting fixtures rather than dimmers. They may also offer advanced features such as scene control and energy monitoring. Fourthly, reduce the lighting load. Consider using low wattage bulbs or fewer lighting fixtures to reduce the total wattage to 600 watts or less per dimmer. This approach may require adjustments to the lighting design to maintain the desired level of illumination. When selecting a dimmer, it's important to consider several factors in addition to the wattage rating. Firstly, compatibility with the lighting fixtures. Ensure that the dimmer is compatible with the type of lighting fixtures being used, such as incandescent, LED, or fluorescent. Some dimmers are specifically designed for certain types of lighting fixtures, while others are universal. Secondly, dimming range. Consider the desired dimming range. Some dimmers offer a wider dimming range than others, allowing for more precise control of the light level. Thirdly, ease of installation. Choose a dimmer that is easy to install and wire. Look for features such as clear instructions and screw terminals. Fourthly, features. Some dimmers offer additional features such as preset light levels, fade-in/fade out, and remote control. Fifthly, safety certifications. Ensure that the dimmer is certified by a recognized testing laboratory such as UL or ETL. These certifications indicate that the dimmer has been tested and meets safety standards. When installing a dimmer, it's essential to follow all applicable electrical codes and safety precautions. Firstly, turn off the power. Before working on any electrical circuit, turn off the power at the circuit breaker or fuse box. Secondly, use proper wiring techniques. Use proper wiring techniques and ensure that all connections are tight and secure. Thirdly, ground the dimmer. Ground the dimmer according to the manufacturer's instructions. Fourthly, use a suitable electrical box. Install the dimmer in a suitable electrical box that is sized appropriately for the dimmer and the wiring. Fifthly, test the dimmer. After installing the dimmer, test it to ensure that it is working properly.